We are going to associate between the trigonometric functions of angle alpha and the trigonometric functions of angle pi over 2 minus alpha. So we draw the trigonometric circle with the cosine axis and the sine axis meeting at its center O, and with radius equals to unit measure. We go counterclockwise, which is the positive sense, and we construct alpha. Then we locate pi over 2, and we go clockwise, which is the negative sense, and we draw minus alpha. So the sector represented by this red angle represents pi over 2 minus alpha. From this point, which is the meeting point of the side of angle alpha and the trigonometric circle, we project on the cosine axis to have this segment as cosine alpha. And from the same point, we project on the sine axis to have this blue dotted line or segment representing sine angle alpha. We do the same for angle pi over 2 minus alpha, and this segment here represents cosine angle pi over 2 minus alpha, and this one here represents sine pi over 2 minus alpha. If you consider these two triangles are congruent, having this segment to be equal to this segment and this segment equals to this segment. But each of these segments represents a cosine or a sine of the angle. So we are going to discuss that by noticing that this here is cosine pi over 2 minus alpha, and it's equal to this side, which represents here sine angle alpha. So we get this formula: cosine pi over 2 minus alpha equals to sine alpha. Also, these two segments represent sine of angle pi over 2 minus alpha, and these two sides represent cosine of angle alpha. These two are equal in the congruent triangles. So we get the formula sine pi over 2 minus alpha equals to cosine alpha. We continue to the second slide, and we want to find the relationship between the tangent pi over 2 minus alpha and tangent alpha. So we elongate the side of alpha, and we elongate the side of angle pi over 2 minus alpha. They both will intersect the tangent to the circle. And we draw also the cotangent, the axis or the line that represents the cotangent of the angles. And we look at these two congruent triangles. This here segment represents tangent pi over 2 minus alpha, and this segment here represents cotangent alpha. These two sides are equal in the congruent triangles. So we have the formula which says tangent pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to cotangent alpha. Now this part here represents tangent alpha, and this part here, which is the segment, represents cotangent pi over 2 minus alpha. Since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that cotangent pi over 2 minus alpha is equal to tangent alpha. So the formula is tangent pi over 2 minus alpha equals to cotangent alpha